I am Pankaj Saran, and I am going to continue the topic Windows Movie Maker. We have completed the topic as we can insert different types of videos, video clips, or images, graphics, and we can perform different operations on that particular inserted text, inserted graphics or videos. Here everything, here videos appear in form of wave format. Because of its wave format, it is easy to work to make the cut or slice the clip from one position to another location, and different images are here. And similarly here different images can be sliced into into number of parts, and they can be moved from one location to other, and we can apply different types of effect on different clips of video or different part of the images. And when we compile everything and perform every effects on the clips and images, next is we have to save it. And the project, here everything is performed in form of project, and the extension of the project file is .mproj. And when suppose the project is created, now you want to show the entire movie, and you want to share the movie to the, you want to save the movie in particular device, or share on different social media as WhatsApp or YouTube. You can export that particular created a movie to any device or any social media. Now we have I revise that what are the effects of any that can be applied on different images or video clips. There is text and credit. What is the meaning of text and credit? We can apply any text with the image or any video clip. And what is the meaning of credit? Credit is given in last, which shows the helpful hands of different user. What here you can give the name or place from where you accept the images or video clips. Now transition. What is the meaning of transition? Transition is the concept when it shows the change of state from one to another. So here are different effects that can be applied on different clips or images. When control moves from one to another, it can be controlled using transitions. Here music. What is the music? What is the concept of music? You can apply different wave format or of music, or you can record your own music and play while the movie is going on. And there is also a concept of narration. You can narrate whatever you want to show in the movie while the execution of the movie. What is the filter? Filter is the concept. Filter is different styles which can be applied on the different clips or video images or video clips. What is the meaning of overlay? We can apply the different images on the existing clip or existing video. And what is the element? What is the meaning of element? You can add different effects. Here it is also used for applying different effects on the different parts or clips of the video, or you can say different part of the movie. Here everything, this is the timeline. Here everything is performed in the waveform. Here it is all the video. It is perform on waveform. You can move from one location to another location. And here you have to transition. You have to drag the transition to here, and you can apply the settings. And similarly here is overlay media, text or track, music, These are the area of the timeline panel where you have to drag the effects or drag the transitions or drag the filters, drag the overlay or drag the element to the particular location in particular area. These are different area in which you have to drag different styles of the overlay, filters or music or transitions elements. You can drag at appropriate location of the timeline panel, and it represent the playhead of the movie, and movie can be play from this. And last time when a movie is created, last thing is you have to export that movie. When you export, it asks for the format of movie, or you can select the device. You can select the smartphone or Samsung. It is only for Samsung smartphone and Android. You can share the movie to YouTube and Vimeo. There are different method. There are different place at which you can share your movie, and you can save the different location as according to your desire. By default, it is see users user document. This is the output location of the movie, and it is the resolution. Can you recall what is a resolution? Resolution is number of pixels on the screen on the movie. It can be set according to the desired number of pixels supported by the different format. You can select. There are different format of different resolution. You can set according to your desire, and size of, you can select the size and duration. Where it will show the size of the movie and it will show the duration of the movie. Clear? When you select the YouTube, automatically when you send export, when you click on export, automatically it is exported to the different format or different device or YouTube or Vimeo. Clear? It is all about the Windows Maker. Besides these, there is a one more tab, tools. Here, concept of easy movie maker. There are different video editing tools and video converter. Now suppose I want to create a simple movie. Easy movie maker, click here. You have to select the media. You have to select the media. You have select the media, select it. Select the media. Suppose it is a clip. You can add different music or other things, or some add other images. Next, you have to click next. You have to select different styles. Next, opening title. Here you can give title. Suppose it is test. Closing title, directed by, you can type your name here. And now next, only everything is created. So you have to select the format and export. Here your movie is creating with the provided effects, and the format of this movie is .mp4. Similarly, we can share this movie to the particular device or YouTube or Vimeo. Clear? There are different tools. One is the Easy Movie Maker, and besides this, there are different video editing tools. In this application, in this option, there are different tools available for the editing in editing in videos, video clip, and it can be saved for creation of new movie. There are different tools. I think I can cancel this. I think you remember, you got the concept of Easy Movie Maker. I cancel it, yes. Now different tools, video editing tools. Here different tools, crop, you can apply effects, join multiple, rotate, subtitle, split, easy cutter. There are different tools available here. You can perform with the help of these tools. Suppose you want to apply different effects, click here. It asks for import video. Suppose it is the brightness, you can set according to your choice. By default it has no effect. You can apply different effects, and with the help of this effect you can save this video for the creation of the movie maker, using for the creation of movie making. You can set contrast, brightness. There are different settings are here, through which you can perform different styles, and then you have to export this. Now this time this particular movie is created with the applying effect. It can be used as a clip for the another movie. Clear? I can cancel it also. Similarly, here are different tools, effect. You can apply different effects, titles, split. Split means here the movie is here, you can split into different part. Suppose here different, this movie can be, this video clip can be different, can be cut into different portion. Here you can different segment can be created using providing limit. It average is split into 2 files. It is a single file. It can be split into 2 files. Clear? I will not split. Similarly, here cutter and advanced cutter, full movie maker, you can add music here. There are different tools available here to provide better effects for creation of your movie. It is all about the movie maker, in which we learn about how to edit or how to provide attractive effects, or to make the movie in enhanced form or effective form by using different effects, transitions, music, filters, overlays, and different elements in the different video clips or images, and directly we can export that particular movie to any social media, or send to different device in desired format. And there are different tools through which we can create our movie with easily and without making any more effect using the easy movie maker. Here you have to give only the title and subtitles and select the effects, and through video editing tools, uh, through these tools we can perform different operation and provide different effects on the different video clips, and these video clips can be used to create a new movie. Next is video converter. It is now next is video converter. Here we can convert our video in different format. By default it converts the video in MP4 format. There are different other popular format, MKV or other MOV, YouTube, Facebook, etc. format. Video, MP4, HVC, there are different format in which you can convert the video. There are different devices, different companies. iPhone are here, Android, Samsung, Huawei or HTC, LG, different companies are here. You can select that different company and change the converter, change the video or change the movie according to that particular device or different video. There is a different video in which you want to convert your video or movie to particular MP3 format or simple audio format. Means only audio will be appear of that your video. There are different tools which makes your work easier and easier. So it is very helpful for creation of your presentation or movie. It is all about the movie maker. We will continue the next topic in next session, next class, and along with this I will give you assignment for your work. Okay, thank you.